Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a Chevy Volt. First, gather your jumper cables and ensure both vehicles are turned off. Safety is paramount, so wear protective gloves and eyewear. Make sure the area is well ventilated and free from flammable materials. This preparation helps prevent accidents and ensures a smooth process. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Find the positive terminal on your Chevy Volt's dead battery, usually marked with a plus sign and a red cover. Attach one red clamp securely to this terminal. Then, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. This ensures a proper initial connection. Next, connect the negative cables. Take one black clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. For the other end, find a clean, unpainted metal surface on your Chevy Volt, away from the battery. This grounding point is crucial for a safe connection, avoiding direct attachment to the dead battery's negative post. With all cables connected, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge the Volt's battery. Then, try starting your Chevy Volt. Once it starts, disconnect the cables carefully, removing the negative clamps first, followed by the positive clamps. Allow your Volt to run for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.